Hello. Hi, students. Good evening. Hello, Tom.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello, Lisa. Good evening, students. Oh, how are you today, Lisa?
I'm good.
Oh, that's good to know. Oh, Tom, where are you, Tom? Oh, Tom is sleeping now? All right, let's have our flyers for reading and writing. Okay, let's wait for the rest. I will just get some water. Okay?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Tom. Let's wait for the rest and I will get some water. Okay? Okay, Nick, Lisa, and Tom, welcome, welcome. Now let's have our lesson reading and writing. Okay? Choose the correct words. Okay, I will assign now. Number one, Lisa, Nick, Tom, me, and Lisa. All right. Please read aloud, Lisa. These beautiful insects.
This beautiful insect
Oh,
can
wait, 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 wait.
fly
Oh, wait, wait,
and
wait.
they love
You can
flowers.
buy medicine
First
soap, brushes, and combs from the shop. A chemist's. Okay, number one, Lisa.
this beautiful insect can fly and they love flowers or sometimes eat them.
Oh,
Butterflies.
okay, butterflies. Okay. Next, Nick. Number two, please read aloud. Number two.
In the day, it is blue or gray,
Mm,
and you can see cloud or the sun there in the sky.
okay, Tom.
These subjects teach us about the world. You learn about important rivers and cities and how to read maps. It's geography.
Okay. These big birds are usually white. They have very long necks and they live near rivers and lakes. They are swans. Number 5, Lisa.
You can visit this place to choose our cheese or painted. Sometimes teachers take these students to the map.
Okay, the answer is mu
Museums.
museums. All right. Okay, number 6. Me, Nick, Lisa, Tom, and Nick. Okay, you got these places to catch trains or to meet friends who have arrived there. Okay, it's stations. Nick,
You can put this in your drink to make them cool. If it is on a lake, you can stay on it.
okay, it's an ice. Okay, Lisa, number 8.
Is animal live a very long time ago, but now they are is scattered Paris.
Okay, the answer is dinosaur. Tom,
This subject is on about numbers and everyone has to learn it at school.
the answer is math.
That is math.
Nick,
When it happened, it rained very hard and it's windy. It's a storm.
okay, a storm. Good job, students. Now look and read, write yes or no. Okay? The boy with the black hair is putting knives and forks on the table. Yes. Okay, I will assign Tom, Lisa, Nick, me. Tom, Lisa. Okay. Number 2, Tom.
No. The ball is between the pot and the cooker. The answer is no.
Okay, the answer is no. Lisa, number 3, sorry.
The bird with brown hair is taking a pizza out of the fridge. Yes.
It's a no. Next, Nick, number 4.
There are cup, plate, and bowl on the shelf next to the window.
Okay. Yes. The girl with the green t-shirt is washing her hands. Yes. Tom,
The man is giving the baby some milk from a bottle. Yes.
Okay, yes. Number 7, Lisa.
The blonde boy is drinking lemonade from a elastic cup. No.
Okay, the answer is no. All right. Now let's have the part 3. Okay, I will read, students. Emma is talking to her friend Helen at the airport. What does Helen say to Emma? Read the conversation and choose the best answer. Write a letter from A to H. You do not need to use all the letters. There is one example. Hello, Helen. What are you going to do here? Hello, I've just come home from our holiday. Okay, that's the example. Now, please try to answer. Oh, there's Ken. Ken, number 1. Tom, Lisa, Nick, and me. Okay, Ken, what is the answer here? Ken? Hello, Ken. What's the answer, number 1?
What?
What's the answer, number 1? Okay, please read aloud. Ken?
B. B.
All right. Okay, let's check your answer. E. What is E? Ken, please read aloud
Yes.
E.
In a best old house in the mountain.
All right. Okay, next, Tom.
Did you have fun there? Yes, let's just like this. The answer.
Okay, C. Yes, lots. Lisa?
Mm.
Okay, the answer is letter F. All right. Nick, number 4.
Wow, I never done that. That what it easy. Um, E, B.
Okay, D. What is D? No, I fell over. Okay, please read aloud the answer, Nick, of letter D.
No, I feel over a lot at first, but I love it now. It's exciting.
Okay, it sounds great. Well, I'm here to meet my uncle. H. Is that him, the man who's waving? Oh, yes, bye. This is part 4, students. Read the story, choose a word from the box, write the correct word next to 1 to 5. There is one example. One day last winter, it snowed very hard, so we couldn't go to school. My sister Katie and I went outside to play. It was very cold, but we had fun and made a snowman. We used 2 potatoes for his, okay, this one, for his eyes and a carrot for his nose. Next, Lisa number 2. Then Katie said,
In Katie, let's have a race down the hill
behind our house.
behind.
Okay, we pulled our sledges up the hill, sat on them. Okay, please read aloud.
Our let's up the hill, sat on them, and raced back there again.
What's the answer? Number 3, Ken.
It's
Ken, where are you, Ken? Ken? Hello, Ken. Ken, hello. Ken? Is Ken Ken? Hello, Ken. Okay, Tom, please read aloud number 3.
number 3 is hit our snowman.
Okay, and then hit our snowman. Okay, number 4, Tom. Number 4, Nick.
There are a competition to make the best snowman. He say, we were won that about that.
All right. The answer is excited. Next, Ken, number 5. Ken? Hello, Ken? Ken? Oh my God, Ken not answering. Okay, what's the answer, Ken? Please read aloud, Ken. What happened? I can't hear you. Okay, the answer is 1. Please read aloud. We went, Ken. What's happening? You can't read, Ken? Okay, let's proceed. We went back. Okay, number 6, Lisa. What's the answer? Now choose the best name for this story. Tick one box. What's the best title, Lisa? Okay, the answer is The Day We Made a Snowman. Now, this is part 5. Okay, students, about part 5. What happened to Ken? Why you can't speak? Oh, maybe Ken, you're watching TV. Oh, what happened? Sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's proceed. Look at the picture and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4 words. The title is, oh, Ken is typing. Oh, ear lag. Okay. Now, David's holiday on the island. Now, please read aloud, Tom, and then
Davis lived with his parents in a big city, but his grandparents and cousins Williams lived far away on an island. Last summer,
island.
island. Last summer, Davis flew to see them for the first time. Davis was hot and tired when he got off. When when he got when he got up the plane in of the plains, the islands was very different from Davis City. He didn't like it. Oh no, he thought, I forgot to stay here for a month. His grandparents' house was very old and small. When David went to his bathroom, he found a great difference.
Okay. Okay,
That
thank you, Tom.
parents
Now,
gave
Nick,
birth to us.
please read aloud,
Live
Nick,
and
here.
frogs
Okay, Tom,
outside
thank
were
you.
very noisy.
The bad
Uh,
morning. The
okay.
next morning, the grandparents took the boy to a beautiful beach. David
Mm-hmm.
and William swam and played in the sea for a long time. Then David was 30, so William climbed a tree and got a coconut for him. David drank the coconut milk. It is lovely. I'm beginning to like this island, he told.
All right. Okay, next. Lisa, a month later. A month later.
A month later, it was time for David to go home before warned his parents that can I come here again next year, please? His are curse and I come to ask where his father David was that when he said goodbye to everyone. But he then shall I will send you lots of emails on every week.
Okay, every week. Now let's proceed. This is the example. David's parents live on an island, which is far away. When David got off the plane, he was hot and tired. Now, please answer. Ken, Nick, Tom. Okay, please answer. Okay, you can read the story. You can check. Ken, please answer now, dear. Number one, Ken. Hello, Ken. Write your answer now, Ken. Nick and Tom, write your answer now. Hello, number one. Ken. Okay, the answer. The house where David's grandparents lives was very old and small. Okay, Nick, there was
There was a sleep on David's bed.
Oh, green lizard. Okay, Tom.
David went to a bedroom.
All right. Beautiful beach. Next. Okay, Lisa. Lisa can Nick and Tom. Okay. Can please answer now, dear? Lisa, what's the answer? Number 4.
William.
Okay, Lisa, number 4, dear. William fetched.
William had a coconut for Davis because Davis was thirsty.
Thirsty. Okay, can David, okay, tasted lovely, not drank. Okay, next. Number 6, Nick.
Next year, David go back to the island with William.
Okay, the answer is William's dad, father. Tom.
William will email David every week.
All right. It's David's cousin or William. Okay. Now this is the last part, students. Read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines, okay? The planes and stars are very far away from us. So many years, people have wanted to visit space and the moon. Okay, the answer is wanted. Now, okay, I will minimize this. Okay, the planets, stars are very far away from us for